Been to Florence and Pisa already and looking for something different? This is it. Welcome to our private shore excursion from Livorno, a journey through time, taste, and the breathtaking Tuscan countryside. Our private shore excursion from Livorno to go wine tasting in the Tuscany countryside is something truly wonderful but completely different. First stop, San Gimignano, nicknamed the medieval Manhattan for its majestic towers that pierce the Tuscan sky. Climb these ancient towers and be rewarded with spectacular views that'll take your breath away. Wander through charming stone streets lined with stylish boutiques and local treasures. And don't miss the award-winning gelato. It's legendary. Work off that gelato with a trek to the fortress, where musicians and artists bring the medieval walls to life. Art lovers, feast your eyes on stunning frescoes in the churches of Santa Maria Assunta and Sant'Agostino. Or stroll the exterior and admire the handsome ancient walls that have protected this town for centuries. Next, we journey to Volterra, a medieval jewel founded by the ancient Etruscans, perched dramatically on a rocky plateau. Step into Piazza dei Priori and feel time stand still. The symmetry, the beauty, the crenellated clock tower. This is medieval Italy at its finest. History buffs, prepare to geek out, explore the world-renowned Etruscan Museum, or marvel at the remarkably preserved Roman amphitheater. Twilight fans, yes, this is that Volterra. Hunt for your favorite locations from the books. Art enthusiasts will lose themselves in the fine frescoes of San Francesco Church and the exceptional works in the Pinacoteca. Shoppers, the alabaster products here are exquisite, authentic craftsmanship you won't find anywhere else. But wait, there's more, because no Tuscan adventure is complete without wine. The terrain around San Gimignano produces some of Italy's finest white wines. Meet Vernaccia di San Gimignano, light, crisp, and absolutely perfect on a warm Tuscan day. Savor this local treasure with delicious appetizers, surrounded by those rolling hills you've seen on postcards. Your private shore excursion includes everything: comfortable air-conditioned transport, port pickup and drop-off right at your ship, and a day filled with medieval magic, spectacular views, great shopping, and unforgettable flavors. So, if you've already done Florence and Pisa, and you're ready for something truly different, this is the Tuscany you've dreamed about.